Hello everyone, how are you today? Today I will be discussing Lesson 7, Solving Rational Equations. For the lesson objective, at the end of this video lesson, you are able to solve rational equations. Let's have the steps to solve rational equations. So the first step, you are going to find the least common denominator. Then multiply each side of the equation by the LCD and simplify. Third, you are going to solve the resulting equations or equation. And fourth, you are going to check the solution or solutions with the original equation. Let's have example number 1. Solve the rational equation. X minus 5 all over x plus 7 is equal to 5 over 17. So we are going to solve the equation. So we are going to find first the LCD, the least common denominators. So what are the denominators? So we have x plus 7 and 17 here. X plus 7 and 17. So what are the factors of x plus 7? So we have here x plus 7. The factors of 17 is 17 also. So what is now the LCD? So we have here the LCD, x plus 17 and 17. Okay. Then we are going to multiply the LCD to the equations. So the LCD is x plus 7 and 17 multiplied by x minus 5. So we have got the quantity of x minus 5 times the quantity of x plus 7 times 17 all over x plus 7. Then we multiply also the LCD to 5. So we get here 5 times x plus 7, the quantity of x plus 7 times 17 all over 17. Then we are going to do cancellations. So here in the left side, so x plus 7 will be cancelled out. Here on the other side, we have 17 will be cancelled out. So we get x minus 5 times 17 is equal to 5 times x plus 7. Next, yes, multiply 17 times x. We have got 17x. Then 17 times negative 5. So we got negative 85. On the other side, so 5 times x. We have 5x. 5 times 7. We have positive 35. Then combine like terms. Okay. So 5x transposed to other sides become negative 5x, and negative 85 transposed to other side, so negative 85 becomes positive 85. Okay. Then 17x minus 5x, we have 12x, and 35 plus 85 is equal to 120. Next, divide both sides by 12. So here 12 will be cancelled out. Okay. So 120 divide 12 is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10. Okay, let us check if our answer is correct. So we have here the equation x minus 5 all over x plus 7 is equal to 5 over 17. Okay. Then we substitute 10 to variable x. So we have here 10 minus 5 all over 10 plus 7 is equal to 5 all over 17. Okay. Then simplify 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. So 5 over 17 is equal to 5 over 17. So meaning to say, our answer is correct. X is equal to X. Let's have example number 2. Solve for X in the equation, rational equation 1 over 2x plus 5 over 4 is equal to 3 over x. Okay, so first and foremost, we are going to find the LCD of this equation. So what are the denominators? We have 2x, 4, and x. So we have here 2x, 4, and x. So what are the factors of 2x? We have 2 times x. How about 4? Yes, we have 2 times 2. And x, we have here x. Okay, so what is now the LCD? Okay, so here 2, one of the factors of 2x, and 2 for the factors of one of the factors of 4. So this is count as 1, 2. Then here another 2 for the one of the factors of 4, so 2. Then here x for one of the factors of 2x, and x here is x. So here x and x, this is count as 1. So 2 times 2 times x, that is equal to 4x. So meaning to say the LCD of this is equal to 4x. Okay, then multiply the LCD 4x to the equation. So 4x times 1, so we have here 4x times 1 over 2x, then 4x times 5, so 5 times 4x over 4 is equal to 4x times 3, so 3 times 4x over x. Okay, then yes, 1 times 4x equal to 4x all over 2x plus 5 times 4x equal to 20x all over 4 is equal to 3 times 4x over x. So we have here 12x over x. Then simplify. Okay, 4x divide 2x, we have 2. 20x divide 4, we have here 5x. Then 12x divide x is equal to 12. Okay, then 2 transpose to other side, that is that will become negative 2. Okay, then 5x is equal to 12 minus 2 is 10. Okay, then divide both sides by 5, then cancel out here 5, so the remaining will be x. Then divide 5, that is equal to 2. So meaning to say x is equal to, okay, then let's check. Okay, so I've here now the rational equation 1 over 2x plus 5 over 4 is equal to 3x. So if x is equal to 2, okay, substitute 2 to variable x. So we have here 1 over 2 times 2 plus 5 over 4, then 3 over, so x here becomes 2. Okay, then simplify. So 2 times 2 here is 4. So 1/4 plus 5 over 4 is equal to 3 halves. Okay, then add 1/4 plus 5 over 4, that is equal to 6 over 4 is equal to 3 halves. Then 6 over 4 in simplest form, that is 3 halves is equal to 3 halves. So meaning to say the answer here is correct. X is equal to 2. Example number 3. Solve for x in the rational equation x over x plus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2 is equal to 8 over x squared minus 4. So first and foremost, we are going to find the LCD. Okay, so what are the denominators? We have x plus 2, x minus 2, x squared minus 4. So we have here x plus 2, x minus 2, and x squared minus 2. So what are the factors of x plus 2? So that is x plus 2 times 1, but no need to write here 1. Okay, then factors of x minus 2. So I have here x minus 2 times 1. Okay, no need to write 1 again. And the factors of x squared minus 2. So we have here x plus 2 and x minus 2. So what will be now the least common denominator? Okay, so I have here the LCD, x plus 2 and x minus 2. So here x plus 2 and x plus 2, this is count as 1. Then here x minus 2 and x minus 2 count as 1 also. Okay, so our LCD now is x plus 2 and x minus 2. Then multiply this one, the LCD, to the equation. Okay, so here x plus 2 and x minus 2 multiply by x. So we get x times the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 2 all over x plus 2 minus. Then here 1 times this one. So we have 1 times the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 2 all over x minus 2 is equal to 8 times multiply this one. So we have 8 times x plus 2 and quantity of x plus 2 and quantity of x minus 2 all over x squared minus 4. Then do cancellation. X plus 2 will be cancelled out. Here is x minus 2 will be cancelled out also. And here x plus 2 and x minus 2 will be cancelled out. And x squared minus 4. Okay, so we have here x times the quantity of x minus 2 is 1 minus 1 times x plus 2, okay, is equal to 8. Then simplify. X times x, so we get x squared, x times negative 2, we have here negative 2x. Then negative 1 times x, we have negative x. Negative 1 times 2 here is negative 2 is equal to 8. Then combine like terms. So 8 here transposed to the left side. Positive 8 becomes negative 8 is equal to 0. Then combine like terms. Okay, so we have here x squared. Then negative 2x minus x, that is equal to negative 3x. Negative 2 minus 8, that is equal to negative 10 is equal to 0. Next, what will we do? Yes, we are going to factor out x squared minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So what will be the factor of x squared minus 3x minus 10? Yes, that is equal to the quantity of x minus 5 times the quantity of x plus. Okay, and we are going to equate x minus 5 is equal to 0, equate it to 0. Then x plus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore x here is equal to 5 and another x is equal to negative 2. But let us check if this two solution 5 and negative 2 is correct, or the solution of this rational equation. Let's find out if these two solutions 5 and negative 2. Okay, let us check at x equal to 5. Okay, so the given rational equation x over x plus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2 is equal to 8 over x squared minus 4. So we are going to substitute 5 to variable x. So So x over x plus 2, so x here becomes 5 and the denominator x plus 2, so we have 5 plus 2 minus. So 1 over, so x becomes 5, so 5 minus 2 is equal to 8. 8 over, so x squared, that is 5 squared minus 4. Then simplify. So 5 over 5 plus 2, that is 5 over 7 minus 1 over 5 minus 2, so that is 1 over 3 is equal to 8 over 5 squared, that is 25 minus 4, that's 21. So we have 8 over 21. Then solve for 5 over 7 minus 1/3. So what is the LCD of 7 and 3? So that is 21. 21 divide 7 is 3 times 5, 15. Then 21 divide 3 is 7 times 1 is 7. Okay? So 15 minus 7, that is equal to 8. So 8 over 21 is equal to 8 over 21. So check. 8 over 21 is equal to 8 over 21. Okay, next, check at x equal to negative 2. Okay, with same rational equation, so substitute negative 2 to variable x here. So that is equal to x negative 2 over x plus 2, so negative 2 plus 2 minus. So 1 over x minus 2, so that is equal to 1 all over negative 2 minus 2. Then is equal to 8 over negative 2 squared minus 4 here, x squared minus 4. So x becomes negative 2. So negative 2 squared minus 4. Then simplify. Okay. So negative 2 over negative 2 plus 2, that is equal to negative 2 over 0. So negative 2 plus 2 is 0. Okay. Minus 1 over negative 2 minus 2. Is equal to 1 over negative 4. So negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. Is equal to 8 over negative 2 squared minus 4. So negative 2 squared is positive 4 minus 4. Okay. Then so negative 2 over 0, this is undefined. Okay. Minus 1 over negative 4 is equal to 8 over 0. So 8 over 0 is undefined also. So meaning to say, this cannot be. So negative 2 is not the solution of this equation. Okay? Only 5 is the solution of x over x plus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2 is equal to 8 over x squared minus 4. Okay? So for your activity class, you are going to solve for x of the following rational equations. Okay, number 1, 3x plus 1 all over 3x plus 5 is equal to 5. Number 2, 4x minus 3 all over 4x minus 2 is equal to 17 over 18. Number 3, 5x plus 6 all over 6x minus 7 is equal to 16 over 5. Then number 4, 7x minus 5 all over 7x minus 13 is equal to 2. And number 5, we have here x plus 3 all over x plus 4 is equal to 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 4. Okay? This is your activity. Okay, for the references of these video lessons, here are the references. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.